Deltarune. Shit. Well, when I say just finished, I have only done chapter 4.
Are you a bad?
And chapter 5 comes out in a few weeks.
Stop it!
I have bags and I keep falling camera. I also have leather paint, which, I mean, this is all imitation leather, but maybe I can make a Deltarune bag. Now, these are all from charity shops. Now, I will admit there's definitely things about each bag I don't like. They're a bit grainy, some of the finishing is a little bit off. So, like, obviously this needs to be cleaned a little bit. Lovely. Because again, my goal is to make a bag, but this is the test piece. And this may actually end up being the video, this one purse. And I have to save the bag to later on.
And yes, this video did end up being the purse, but that was because I was encountering various other problems.
Okay, let's kind of all the surfaces scrubbed as much as I can get. That's the issue. We might have to replace that panel.
As you can see, the plastic panel was absolutely, I don't know what happened to it, just was a bit gross. But it also meant that there was not just doing a design and painting on top of it. There also had to be repairs done. I don't know how to do repairs. All these new skills I would have to learn. But first, to get my mind off it, obviously we had to do a design. And the easiest way to do a design, take a photo and just doodle on top of it.
The leather surface with the provided deglazing agent to remove the existing coating. After removal, allow the leather to dry completely. Okay, I think that is dry now, I think. Okay, so I guess the next part is to sketch out the design. So not the cleanest sketch in the world, but we get the idea. Fair. Ironically, I'm painting black on an already black purse. I really don't think it's making too much of a difference right now. Camera, I can see more difference on the camera than I do with my eyeball.
As you can see, I've tried to do a design that I think, or at least a character that may be important in Chapter 5, The Roaring Knight, which also, by the way, provides a great color palette. And if you want to know who the Roaring Knight is... Fucking cool.
So trying to mix the right color for this is going to be a bit stressful. I need a gray. You know, I think that's accidentally the right color. So I believe, as that's the first layer, I have to let that dry. I'm going to try and do some blending because there are some stuff I want to blend in.
And ironically, it wasn't working with new paints or textures that was really messing me up. It was the fact that it was really hot and the paint was drying faster than I could put it on.
Work in progress.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, Jess, she's so cool.
Maybe. Maybe. Most likely. Oh, the evidence points to.
Sorry, I meant papyrus.
Yeah, exactly.
And to be honest, painting was majority done. I only had final touches to add, but we still had to repair the purse.
I'm sure repairs will go well. Which I see why you keep your hands away from these needles. Come on! Oh, that one was easy. Why was that one easy? That felt too easy. I don't like that. I feel very conflicted about that, in fact. It's getting to the really finicky end bit now, and that's not stressing me out at all. Like, the endings are a little bit wonky squonky, but it's better than it being ripped.
And of course I couldn't leave it just there. I added some details, I added some personality, and also another complete artwork, but spoilers I guess for the end of chapter 4 if you don't want to be spoiled. Yeah, I painted the Titan on the inside, and I will say I tried making a bag charm for this video and it failed utterly. One day I will show it, but today it is an embarrassment and I'm not brave enough. Anyway, it is literally half an hour to Deltarune chapter 5, so see ya, I guess. Thank you for watching.
Deltarune. Tomorrow.